Hi guys, I'm back with an update. So I did a number of things this week. So I'm gonna give you guys a run through of like what I learned and what I've done so far. Okay. So let me just start my Unity project. Okay, wait, it's already open. So so I set up the environment and everything for like my agents training and stuff. So I'll give you guys a quick run through of like what the script does of each agent. So basically I'm going with a multi-agent approach instead of like training the environment in like a single with like just target spawn and stuff. I decided to go with like different agents and decided to like make them compete each other in order to like make them more efficient. So that was my thought process behind it. And with the script, it's fairly a simple script. There's nothing there's not a lot going on here. Like you can spawn like how many points, like points basically means targets, how many targets you want to spawn for an episode, and you can keep a track of it in a list, which basically like tells when to end the episode. You can set up the move speed for the agent, and you can spawn at the points wherever you want. And like I have like a logic going on here, like to basically stop it from like overlapping. I'll walk you through the script as well. So and jump force, like how high can the agent jump and stuff, and the hunter controller. So basically what it does is like for instance, if like the prey is able to complete the challenge or like the task, it would add like a penalty to the hunter. So in order to make the hunter more efficient, and same goes for the hunter. Like if the hunter is able to capture the target, he adds like a penalty to the prey. He adds like a penalty to the prey. So let me walk you through the script for agent controller. So these are all the fields that basically I assign in my Unity interface. Okay, so I already kind of walked you through it. So on episode begin, like I set up like the location of my agent, and then I create points. I can actually create walls as well, which is basically like obstacles inside the map, to make them navigate and stuff, make it a bit more challenging. This is how I keep track of the time, like how when the episode started and how much time they have left. This check overlap function basically like checks, like for instance, between 2 points, if they are if they're 2 points, it checks like if they're overlapping or not. And I use it to basically spawn points at different locations. This is where I add observations. So at the moment my agent just knows his own location and the information he gets from the raycast, and that's pretty much it. This is the actions like my agent can take. Like he can move horizontally, vertically, and he can jump as well. Okay, and this is setting up his motion. Like I made sure like the FPS I'm getting doesn't affect the motion of the agent, or doesn't make it move faster and slower. And basically like the longer he stays alive, he kind of gets like a reward, like the prey, because I want him to survive, right? So yeah, this is my logic for like creating the points. It's a fairly simple one. Like get a random position, and if I check it if it's overlapping or not, and then like if it's overlapping, I just do it again until I find like a good points where I can spawn the targets. This is for removing the points, like from the list, the spawn list I showed you. Okay, and this is like basically the agent interacting with the environment. If the agent hits a target, he gets like a reward, and I set the environment color to like yellow, just for visualization, so I can know what's going on and stuff. Actually, let me just start the training first, so like I can show you how it is, and I can continue walking you through it. Okay, so let me just do this first. Okay, and config. So like I haven't actually started messing around with the configs of the Unity ML thing. You can set up the hyperparameters. I haven't started doing that yet, but I've learned like how to set up like certain like specific hyperparameters. I still need to learn like what they actually do and how they affect the training process. So I'll show you the config for it as well. To be honest, I think so I'm just gonna go with the default one. ML agents ID, let's say demo run. Okay. Oh, what did I miss? ML agents learn. This is it. Did I have a typo or something in there? Yeah, I had a typo. So let's do run ID demo run. Okay. So right now I'm not using a GPU in my virtual environment because like I don't think so I'm doing that much for me to use my GPU yet. But I will like as I learn more, I make more complex AI behaviors, then I'll probably switch to GPU as well. So let me just put it to training. So just to make it clear, I have done this before. I'm just doing it again for the sake of the video, just to show you guys. So you guys can see, right, this is the raycast for both of these agents, and like my hunter can basically see the agent and the walls and stuff, and that's it. Because like one thing I noticed, like when I made the hunter like see targets, he was actually like kind of like camping them, or like just waiting for the other agent to like just come to that point and he would attack him. So which I didn't want him to do, because like it wouldn't be fair for like the prey. So another thing like I had to mess around with was like the move speed and stuff, like the speed of the hunter and the prey, in a way like I wanted the prey to move a bit faster. It would give like prey a chance to like avoid him, because he was actually doing way better than the hunter was actually doing way better than the prey. So this is like this is kind of like a Goldilocks problem, right? You just have to mess around with different parameters, reward functions, until you find like a most optimum solution. Okay, so yeah, back to the script. I don't think so there's anything more something that's like way complex going on in there. This is for like creating the walls. Like I can spawn obstacles as well inside the environment, and yeah, and let's go to okay. So yeah, if I show you, I think so I talked about it, but let me just show you this as well, like the raycast for this. So you can see like the hunter can only see the wall and the agent, and I talked about it, like why, because he started camping it. So this is something like I had to figure out like gradually what was wrong with it. So yeah, so if you look at the agent, like let's see how good are they doing. So you can see that the agent is like he's getting better. In a sense, the mean reward is going up. I haven't actually started using TensorBoard as well. Like I think so I should, but I haven't felt like it. I can kind of tell like if my agent is doing good or not from here. And oh, actually no, wait. Agent, yeah, he's getting better, and the hunter is getting better as well. Let's see what happens in a bit. So yeah, another thing I kind of worked on was like making the agent kind of like jump like from different ramps. So I can show you the environment. Okay, oh shit, I think so I haven't saved the environment. Prefab, wait a second. Oh yeah, so this is another thing I'm gonna be working on. So I'm gonna be teaching my agent to basically like jump from from here, like with these ramps, as these targets are the guiding points, and he would have to go save the princess. So wait, let me show you the princess. Yeah, this is the princess, I think so. Yeah, So this is kind of like the next thing I'm gonna be doing. I'm already working on it, but I'll give you guys a breakthrough of it, like in another video. And when it comes to deep learning and stuff, like I have been like reading this book called Understanding Deep Learning. Like I just started it and I watched a video about it as well, which is really nice. It goes into like details and stuff like how deep learning actually works, considering like it's a really complex topic. So I would definitely suggest you guys to like give that a read as well. And another thing I've been exploring, like this week was like blockchain. I'm trying to learn how blockchain works, and this is another field I'm kind of interested in. So I might be uploading some videos about that as well, which would be fun to learn. I feel like, but right now I'm working with this Unity ML thing. It is fun because like it's really fun to watch them train and stuff. Another thing I wanted to explore was like, what if I give my prey like the ability to jump like a lot higher than my hunter, and I wanted to see like if he could figure out he could just literally jump over him or something like that. But this is something I did try, but I don't think so. I got that behavior out of them. I might have to like train him specifically for it or something. But you can actually see that like the prey is actually moving to the targets. He's trying to capture them before like the prey, the hunter actually gets it. But I think so like for some reason my I don't know why I feel like the hunter can still see the targets. He was camping there for a bit. He's smart. So yeah. And I think so like I'm gonna be uploading on YouTube quite often, in a way like if someone needs help with their projects, or if someone wants to like have some kind of feedback or something, or they want me to explore something, I'll do it and upload a video on YouTube and LinkedIn as well. But this is kind of like a fun experiment for me, so hopefully I'll keep doing it. Okay. See, I think so. He's camping. Yeah, I think so. You can see it, but he shouldn't be able to though. Like detectable targets. I think so. It might be the raycast telling him like this is something you can camp at in order to like just get him. Okay. So yeah, I didn't tell you guys what these colors mean. I feel like, so yellow means like he's getting the targets, and the green means like he completed the whole episode, like he got all the targets. Whereas this pink color, I don't know, there was a specific name for it, I forgot. So this pink color is basically tells like the hunter was basically able to grab the prey. So let's see the results. How are they going? So hunter, yeah, they are still getting better. Like the agent is definitely getting better a bit. No, wait. Yeah, no, actually, this is so confusing. 2, and then we go to 2 here. So yeah, it is actually getting better. But let's just wait till like 500k. I think so. That's the default value for the number of episodes. So I haven't actually gone into details like how these work. I did research into what PPO is. PPO is like a policy gradient methods, which basically like helps in agents learning like environment they haven't seen before. So and I learned like this is like an own policy algorithm, like they learn from their own interactions and stuff with the environment and stuff like, but this I might be wrong, but this is something like I learned. I watched a video about it, but I still have to go into details what each of these parameters do and how basically I can use them, but I can kind of tell from some of them like okay. So I think so it's about to complete. Yep, it's still getting better. The hunter is doing a bit bad, I think so. 3.27. No, he's still getting better. Okay, the agent is getting better. Like his mean reward is going down. 2.77, 2.61. I think so. This is the last 50k steps, and then we should have a brain. Brain is basically like a neural network, like which you get after this training ends. Yeah, I'm beginning to see a lot more green. I think so. Like the prey is figuring it out. I feel like this is a bit small environment, so that's why they're struggling a bit. I feel like if I had a bit bigger environment, this it would be a lot more tough for both of them. I think so. We're done. Okay, let's see what it ended at. 3.4. Hunter was 3.11. Okay, so agent, yeah, so agent definitely got better in the end. Like, see the jump from 2.9 to 3.4. I feel like if I train him for a bit more steps, like let's say 1,000,000 or something, he would definitely be a lot faster. So let's go load up the brain. Let me just take this out. Let's go to results. Where did my results go? Let's see it. It should be here. Okay, let me see results demo run. Okay. Okay, it's here. So this is the brain for the agent. Why there's so many of them? Oh, actually, sorry. This is a brain. These are the two brains that we need in order to use them. Let's just go put it in the neural network. Let me make a new folder. Brains demo. Let's just put it here. Let's go back. So I just need to load it up now. So neural network demo, brains demo. So this is the prey one. I think so. I named him agent. So let's do agent here. Let's go hunter. I'm so clumsy. Okay, yeah. So let's see like them in action. Let's see what they do. Okay, wait, let me just zoom into this. So you can see he knows, like you can see him going towards him, and I think so my see he jumped to like kind of like avoid him, but he definitely camps it. I think so. I need to fix that. But you can see like he kind of just waits for him at the target. Like he knows like he's gonna be there, so he tries to like just okay. You can't see him. Okay, so yeah, this is like the behavior you would get after like 500k. I'm quite happy with that. It needs a lot more training in order to like do better. How much did I adjust the speed for? Like I feel like he's moving a bit slow. 10. That's a lot slower for 10. I don't know why. Is it just me or? Yeah, it is like a half of it. Okay. Okay. I think so. It's gonna run out of. See, he is. Did you see that in the last episode? He was definitely camping it. I need to fix that. I need to make these targets invisible for him. So yeah, that's pretty much it for like this week probably. I'll try to like complete that another small project thing like the one I showed you guys where I'm trying to make him jump. So I'll give you a video about that as well. So any feedback or anything, if you guys feel like I should work on or like I should improve on, or something you guys need help with in Unity ML, I'll try my best to like help you guys with it. Okay.